Okay, we're looking at the door now. Looks like there's still a little bit left. I can actually get this open if I need to. Okay, so I got it open. Still in all, looks like I'm going to have to get this off. And it looks like this might have to come off. And there's a screw right there. So I'm going to start with that one. This door panel has to come off. That one, there's a hole right there to Phillips. One right there, Phillips. And I don't know what this is. Looks like you could put a screwdriver in there and open it up and see what's in there. So we may do that. Okay, this loosens up with a screwdriver pretty good. And it is a little tab, so I imagine when it goes back in, I'll have to pull that back out. Okay, I just started, I put my finger in here, started pulling this out and started working my way loose. And these are popping out so far pretty good. They do make some tools to help get those off for a door trim removal tool. Alright, let's see what happens here. Okay, one thing I think I might have missed is this screw right here. Looks like that's going to come off. I think once I get that off, then the rest of the door panel should come off. Glad I didn't tear that off. Wife would have had my butt. Alright, so just that little something a little bit holding that back in here. And I don't know if you can see it. That's the last clip. There. These things always scare me. I think that's the hard part. Okay, I got 1, 2, 3 screws removed. So this is off. And I don't know what's going to happen down here. Got some goo right there. Probably going to be this one here. It's going to take this and lift it straight up. Okay. So that's up. And then it just pops right out. So we got this one off. Yay! I might have to take this off to get to it. This might be easier. So we got 1, 2, 3 bolts holding that on. Let me see what's behind here. Yep, we're gonna take it off. At least enough to get out of the way. So we're gonna take off 1, 2, and 3 to loosen this up. See if we can get it out of the way. Okay, I got the 3 bolts removed. There's 1, 2, and 3. And this is, I think I'm going to disconnect this right here. Okay, well, next thing I'm going to do before going further is I'm going to disconnect this, because that is connected to here, and that might free something up here. So there, that's off now. If you can see that. One, 2. Okay, I got 2 screws out. I'm gonna have to take this off some more. This little red one, I don't know if it'll be red on yours or not, but there's a little red one there, and that's connected to this long rod that goes all the way back. I'm just gonna disconnect that red thing here. It should just pop right up. Okay, I got it off. I had to use a screwdriver to pop it off, but it should come right out now. Okay, so now it just drops down. It's hanging on there by this cable, which is fine. You got enough room in there. So I'm gonna finish taking off this screw, that one. You can see now I can finally get to that one, and then that one up there. And then this handle, or this door handle, should pop right out. Okay, I got these 3 off. 1, 2, 3. And then the last 2, there's a little foam piece here. You just peel it back and you can get to the access holes. You just stick the socket in those holes. So I'll get that one here, and then this one up here. Okay, I got the last 2 screws out. This thing should come right off now. There's a little lip right there, so don't just yank it off, but you want to lift this up so that it'll come off over that lip.